Hi, to change default apps on your POCO F6, as a first step we need to go in the settings and here scroll till you can see this apps tab. So select it, then go in manage apps. Here you'll need to tap on the three dots on the top of the screen and go in other settings. And after that select the default apps and here you can change any app you want. For example, we can go in the browser section and from default Google Chrome we can switch to Mi browser by tapping it. And now just go back to save the changes and now we got our new default browser. We can do just the same for the camera, for example, but unfortunately I have only one camera app, so there is nothing to change. And let's move on to the gallery. Here we got even 5 options, so just select any option from the list by tapping it and save the changes by going back. And you can do just the same for each of this section. So just go in here, select your default app by putting a check mark on it, and then save the changes by going back. And if you messed up, don't worry, you can use this feature to reset to default. So here you need to press this blue button and everything will be reset to the default settings. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.